हाय, नमस्ते। हमने बहुत सारी प्रेयर सुनी है, पढ़ी है, की भी है। सो व्हाट इज प्रेयर एग्जैक्टली? प्रेयर इज टू आस्क फॉर समथिंग फ्रॉम गॉड, फ्रॉम यूनिवर्स. प्रेयर इज आस्क फॉर ब्लेसिंग्स फ्रॉम यूनिवर्स और टू प्रेज our creator. That is a prayer. But today I am going to discuss you about a healing prayer, which has a very beautiful story behind that prayer. The story starts from Dr. Yulin. Dr. Yulin, his full name is Dr. Ihalikala Yulin. So what is special about him? He was a spiritual expert and therapist in Hawaii Island state. So you know what he did? So there is a story which starts from Hawaii State Hospital, and it has a insane world of criminals. They were rapists, they were murderers, and also mentally ill. And they were so dangerous, they would hit themselves, they would harm themselves and others too. So it was in that condition, it was very difficult to give them proper medicines, proper medication, proper treatment. And day by day, they were becoming very violent, and the situation going worse and worse and worse. In that scenario, Dr. Yulin came in the picture. What he did? He cured every single patient. So what is new about this? But without medicines, he cured every patient. And the best and interesting part was, without seeing a single patient. Hard to believe, right? But it is true. He set up his office within the hospital to review his patient's file. And he did chanting of Ho'oponopono prayer. Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian word which means make things right. Make things right in relationship, in career, in wealth, including with ancestors, with the earth, and with yourself. It's an ancient Hawaiian prayer practiced for forgiveness and reconciliation. Morna Simona, she is the founder of this Ho'oponopono prayer, and Dr. Yulin adopted this methodology when he met her, and then he never looked back. With his belief and with continuous practice, he created wonder in this healing world. Ho'oponopono may sound little difficult to pronounce, but its 4 phrases are very easy to chant. What are those 4 phrases? I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. These 4 phrases have so high frequency and high energy. So once you start to chanting, it starts the cleansing process within your mental state. The main purpose of Ho'oponopono is cleansing your own energy. When you take your 100% responsibility towards that situation, towards that person, towards that things, it starts cleansing your own energy. Energy is everything. Energy is everywhere, and every energy has its frequency. The problems are created by your past memory, past data. And only when negative energy disappeared, positive energy flourished. As we know, the world is mirror. Everything that inside of us is reflecting outside. Ho'oponopono help us to remove negative energy, negative beliefs, negative thoughts which are lying within us. These are 4 phrases where we can chant anytime, anywhere. Not necessarily we have to sit idle in a silent place and they do chanting. No, you can do it chalte firte, you can do it by driving, we can do it when we are walking, when you are talking in your mind, you can do it Ho'oponopono prayer anytime, anywhere. So don't forget, remember 4 phrases. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Thank you.